Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Market Wrrior channel. I'm Deepankar, and today we have an exciting topic for all you aspiring online entrepreneurs out there. If you've been wondering how to take your online business to the next level, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving into the essential strategies and tips on how to grow your online business. Whether you're just starting or looking for ways to expand, these insights will help you boost your online presence, attract more customers, and increase sales. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. If you run an online business, then you must have dreamed of making your business successful, but do you know what are the best ways to grow your online business? Ways that can boost your brand awareness, increase leads, and boost sales. If you do not know about such methods, then you should definitely know, because with the help of these methods you can grow, and that too very easily, and we are going to tell you such effective methods in today's video, which can fulfill your dream of making online business successful. So stay tuned to the Market Wrrior to know these best effective tips, and watch the video till the end so that you do not miss any effective tip. So let's start and know about such 7 effective tips. Optimize your online shop. How and how much your online business can attract customers will depend to a great extent on your website site, because the business website itself will be your online shop, which if it is user-friendly, then the customers will like to visit it more, and if its design matches with your business, then its impression will also be good on the customers, and it is well organized and easy to use. Every customer would like to visit the website again and again and do shopping. So first of all, improve the look and performance of your website so that it can attract more customers. After that, do so, i.e. search engine optimization of your online shop or store, because by keeping in mind these basic but important things such as easy navigation on the site and easy payment method, you can optimize your online shop properly so that the customer experience remains good and sales increase is possible. Create social media presence. For the success of your online business, it is important that you create a strong presence on social media also, so that maximum public can be reached. Through this, global presence of customers can be easily created. For easy approach, website links and contact information should also be given on your social media pages. To get maximum benefit from these platforms, it is very important to be active on them and make regular posts. This post should be attractive and appealing. Make sure to add business-related images in these so that their views can increase faster. Apart from social media posts, you can also use blogs and emails to promote your business. At number 3 is the target audience. Do you know which customers' social media posts and user-friendly websites are meant for? That is, do you know who your target audience is? If you do not know about these, then it is difficult to grow your online business quickly. It will be done, so know that the people for whom your products and services are suitable are your target audience. You know for which gender, age, location, income, and interest people your products or services are made, and the same. People are your target audience, and you want to convey your brand information to them so that they can become your customers. Then it is also important to gain the attention of such target audience, hence it is important for you to communicate with them. For this you will do the best, but here you will need to be consistent. You will have to answer people's queries, and future tracking will become easier for you through the email addresses of your target audience. Number 4, add customer testimonials. Customer reviews are very important in online business. These reviews affect the purchasing decisions of most customers, and even big brands understand its importance. So if your business has testimonials from its satisfied customers, then it can have a good impact on your business. Video with text reviews testimonials also make the brand more appealing, hence give importance to the reviews of your online business, and through testimonials, focus the customers on the qualities and unique service of your brand. How much your business will grow will also be based on your intention. That is, if you provide excellent customer service in a customer satisfactory manner, then the growth of your business will be very fast, and if you do not focus on this, then it can be difficult to run the business for a long time, because today and tomorrow the business is related to the customers. That's why it is better to improve your customer services, deliver your products and services on time, gain customer trust through best prices, and keep an easy return policy through gift cards and discounts. Customer engagement should be increased, and their feedback should also be given importance. Advertise your online business. At number 6. The importance of advertising can never decrease. Its methods may have changed, but the impact is still the same, that is, the impact of your business. Advertisement is necessary for success. Many methods can be adopted for this, like billboards, pamphlets, and media advertisements. Advertisement banners are also shown on many prominent websites. Advertisement can also be made to your target customers through email. You can also send out pop-up advertisements for special offers and newsletters and encourage customers to stay updated about your latest products and services. There are so many ways for you to advertise your business, and each method is effective in itself. You just have to choose which are the more suitable and effective methods for your business and apply them. Along with this, you can also do promotional activities like promotional deals, discounts, stock clearance sales, and end-of-season sales. Such activities create a sense of urgency, and the customer likes to purchase more, which boosts sales faster. Expand your online business if you want to survive for a long term. If you want growth, you will have to keep incorporating new ideas in your business. You will have to popularize it in new ways. For this, you can also sell the products of your business on amazonbusiness.in. This will make your approach reach more audience. Your brand will become famous and your online business will also expand. So along with applying these 7 methods for the growth of online business, you'll have to do another important work which many times the businesses ignore, and that work is your performance. And measuring growth Google Valley. And which methods need to be improved. In this way, regular analysis prevents your business from going down and also gives you guidance to make right efforts for its growth. So in this way, now you have all the effective methods which are necessary to grow your online business, so start applying them. How did you like this information or video? Do tell in the comments section, and any new idea from your side. Is there any new method which you apply and you got good results from it? Then please share it with us, and also do not forget to share this video. Do you have any other question? For a long time, you have been thinking that there should be information about this, so write to us and send us your questions. Wait for a while. The rest of the people who have joined us today, who are all new people, have come to our channel. You are liking the information and videos. If you like it, then do one more thing: subscribe to the Market Wrrior channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any such information. Potter will meet you soon. Till then, I will tell you thank you. Hey there, fellow warriors of the market. Welcome to the Market Wrrior, your ultimate destination for all things investing and trading. I'm your guide in this financial battlefield, and I'm thrilled to have you on board. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a day trading enthusiast, or just getting started in the world of finance, you've come to the right place. Here at the Market Wrrior, we're on a mission to empower you with knowledge, strategies, and insights that will turn you into a true market warrior. We cover it all, from in-depth market analysis to practical trading tips, and we even dive into the latest investment trends. If it involves the financial world, we're on it. But hey, it's not just about me talking at you. This is a community, and I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, and trading experiences in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Curious about the next big investment opportunity? Wondering how to navigate market volatility like a pro? Stick around, because we've got some incredible content coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from the Market Wrrior. Get ready to sharpen your financial weapons and conquer the markets with us. Until next time, stay strategic, stay informed, and let the battle for financial success begin. This is the Market Wrrior signing off. May your portfolios be green and your trades be ever in your favor.